Hello, hello, hello. This is Els coming to you from Bemis Crafty Corner, and I have kind of an impromptu video. Here's the deal. So we did this spring journal, and I put the whole thing together, and I kind of said, okay, listen, you have to be like, you have to be in all the lives. Well, there's only one person who was in, like, most of the lives. She missed one. So I was like, okay, well, if you comment on them, well, not everybody commented on every single one of them, but I do need to give this journal away because I said I was going to give it away. So here's what I did. I went through and I wrote down the names of every single person who came into all the chats. And every time you came in, I gave you a mark. And then I went through and I looked at all the comments, and I gave you a mark for every time somebody put a comment. So if you were in my live streams or in my chat, and I had Lady Wolf and Trucker Jamie and Laura Free and Deborah Howard and Teresa Petro and Jean Peter and Monica Lewis and Ruby Sweet and Tina Adams and Arlene and Tammy's Passion and Sandra Miranda and Kat Best and Curly T and Deidre and Shelley Carlson and Elizabeth K and JD and Robin McKenzie and Marg West and Michelle Evans and Nina over at Bed of Dust. I had Kenzie's Craft in. I had Carla Farrington in. I had Kennedy Crafter in. I had Kat from Perfectly Imperfect Crafts. Loretta from Loretta's Scrapbook was in. Erin K came in. Rose came. Lovely Malia came in. Brenda DiMartino and Brenda Price all came in. So what I did is I wrote all your names down on some tickets. Okay? And I'm putting them in the jar. And then I'm going to shake up the jar. And then I'm going to mix up the jar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a name from somebody who, was in there in the lives, or at least came by to support the project. And once I pull a name, that person is going to have 24 hours. So this video is going to post at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, Saturday, which means you have until 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on Sunday to contact me, okay? I need one. So, I'm going to have Hags do it. Uh-oh. Hags, pull a name, would you?
Okay. Any name?
Just pull a ticket.
Alright, fine.
Who do we got?
I don't know.
We have Tina Adams. See? Tina Adams. Tina, you have until 9 a.m. Sunday morning, Pacific Standard Time, 10, 11, 12 across the country, to contact me. You can reach me via Facebook at Elsbet Tallon. That's ELZBETTALLON. It's at the end of the video. And I'll put it in the description. 24 hours to contact me and claim this journal. If you don't want it, don't contact me. I won't be offended. And I'll draw another name on Sunday if nobody claims this journal. So Tina Adams, please let me know if you want this journal, okay? Thanks, guys. That's it. Bye-bye.